Good afternoon, Furry Heart Lifers. I didn't make it out yesterday, so I'm taking Rusty out today. So here's my view. He's already given me a gift. So we're heading up to the trash bucket and to get rid of that. And of course he has to pee on every rock and tree and blade of grass. Oh, I think I got everything this time. I got my face mask if the pollen starts getting too much. And I got water, I got my inhaler, I got the baggies, I got the dog, and I'm still got to get my wolf tracks. I'm working on this phone. The walk for a dog is now wolf tracks, and I tried to update and I didn't do something right, so I gotta figure that out. Right there, Rusty Jack. Are we going to do any actual walking? Or is this just to sniff everything? Because I want to throw this poopy away. Yeah, my allergies start right when the grass starts greening up. And the bushes have done it. Now the trees are all in bud, and after the buds come off, there comes the pollen. So, okay, come on, let's go. Walk. Like, walk. You can pee on that rock on the way back. Or now. Little Jack Russell mixes are stubborn. And no, I am not